Okay. I tried to get back like as fast as I can. Because like I had some issue today. I was supposed to go to school, but then let's say I got an accident on the road to the school, so I just had to stay at home. So I ended up starting the stream just earlier. That's why I'm here this fast. So yeah. Let's make it like that. Yeah, seems fine. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just like my... I don't know the name, but like my foot, not my foot. I got some sort of just injury. That's okay. It's just gonna go in time. I think 2-3 days it will be fine. It's just like my car. It got kinda destroyed. So yeah. Yeah, the raincoat. I had a thought. I was not sure it was this one. But yeah. So anyway, just after the stream end yesterday, I just fixed one thing. It was putting the image and the hyperlink just centered correctly. It was just an issue in SCSS. Had to put this border box, but it's working well for now. Yeah, I guess then today would just make the JS code. Oh, if I main.js, because yeah, we need some JS. And I think, like, I heard to make the image just be able to click, we need to put like the click animation. Something like, I don't know. First of all, yeah, get the get elements by ID because we use the ID. We use PP for profile picture, and then we make the click animation. But before this, what I think we should do is modify the PP to put cursor pointer. We're gonna need this, but I'm not sure. Then maybe just, I don't know. Visible. No, visibility SCSS. Add something to check. Support hasn't that's the idea. Yeah, that's true. So add event, yeah. Just gonna need to check one thing. Because like if we just put like a class dot visible and we put this one visible at first, if we put this one then in JS, what is it? Let's say profile picture. I don't have the completion. JavaScript completion. I'm gonna need this because I hate it. You're putting in JavaScript hands. Gonna install it too. Install package. Install this one. It's freaking better. Okay. That was by ID. Yeah. And we get the PP ID like that. and then we're gonna did this the same but for the hidden element. And then I don't remember, like I have that I have that. I'm not sure, is this like query selector all? I think this is this one. Yeah, okay, it's this one. No, that's query selector. Oh, and with we can just change the CSS from GS. Yeah, we can try. I'm just gonna check this because no, I'm just gonna keep the click animation first, just by checking profile picture, and then that's advanced listener, and it's a click animation. What is it? We put no parameters after, like this, and then put the function, and then what we can make is just make the hidden element like with a for each. If my memory is good, it's something like that. Let's say, I don't know, L. Yeah, it's not like we put function, blah blah blah. Wait, is it class list? So returning class list. What's it with the element? This can be used to design class list. It's component access. Yeah, okay, and then we can put this class list, and it's toggle visible. I think just like that. It doesn't work. Why is it not working? We have the add event. Let's say it's a click animation. Strikes a query. I should not need to put not an issue. Because we don't need to put like something like that. Oh no, I'm just hella dumb. I just didn't link. Oh yeah, I don't remember to link GS to HTML. Yeah, that's script. I just made a JS. Is something even happening? Script. I put the script. If I had something in main, like just say I console that log test. Cannot read properties. Okay, so apparently it just turned out this line. Is it just that? Oh yeah, okay, that was... I didn't know it was just forced to be put at the end. But at least it's working. And now we have this. So we could... It's working. Like we have the who am I, we have the H2, and the null. We have all these. If you wanna put... Yo, just... Thank God. We have this. So I think one thing I want to make today is mostly just putting the web between the areas. One thing I don't understand too, like how to make this, like just put much further, because I'm not gonna make it now for like 5 pixels. It would be pretty dumb to do. I have that. I don't know if I should just modify this. Well, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Wait, I just saw one thing. What is who am I H2? Not showing. Because this should be an H2 too. Okay, we should have this one. Why is it not showing? So I think I can just modify the hero, because we switched to display flex now. As we did this, we centered everything, and yeah, I can just change it to 100. Absolutely does not change anything. It does, but it's... Yeah, okay, 200 is already better. The cards are still like too far away from the text inside. Like I can put y6 between. Put just the space around. Oh, that works too. But then in this case, yeah, we can just absolutely remove this. If we remove it, like, it's fine. It seems like it just looks much better. remove the gap. Yeah, I removed it. Okay, yeah, I just removed the gap because it was just useless then. So. Have to cut bigger? Yeah, the image should be a bit bigger. I'm right with this. I'm just gonna make like 45%. There's still like some sort of background in it. Like it's really annoying. I think we can just modify the background. Right, so I'm gonna make it black for now. Yeah, there's still a fucking white. PNG. Remove background. Okay. Oh, what makes the card sort of come from behind the image? Yeah, we can try something like that. Just before this. Oh gosh. I'm gonna remove everything. Okay. Why is the image still like that? What have I done? Is it the good one? It's really bad to being. I don't know. Why is that? Yeah. The source. It's 600 by 600. It's still like so hard to be. I'm just gonna put it directly like that. Yeah, okay. Now it's working. It's working correctly now. Wait, let me open this again. We're gonna keep this one. So let's make some sort of fade animation in SCSS, of course. I was asking and say enter to it. Just gonna keep it like that for now. Voice has. Okay, so I'm hella tired, mate. I don't understand. I don't understand, like, oh shit, this one. Should I highlighting? Yeah, but that's just basic, some sort of fading. It's not when you click on it. If we have any type of click. Yeah, that's JS. Because you can make things much easier. Also, one thing I can change. Can I switch from... Wait, let me test something. Can I just comment this? And we can change one thing on the CSS. Oh, on this, we have the visibility already. We can keep it hidden. Yeah, that was I was about to check. Then we can make the transition. What is it? We'll change opacity 0.5. Is and then we'll change the visibility to what? We'll change visibility with 0.5, same I think. Should be fine. What we can make here is just put opacity at 1. Yeah, it can be that easy. Or maybe I can just... I think it still needs a JS. Because the animation is still not here. Is SCSS good? Well, putting this. Do we have the end? Yeah, we have the last one. Like we do have it. What's the who am I? We have everything. It's not working. Because like we have the who am I? We have opacity. Maybe if I just add input and visibility property in the chance. I guess you have. I don't think it should be an issue. Yeah, because it changing the visibility, so technically we can click on it. Like if we click this right now, like it's existing, but it doesn't seem. That's why I was thinking of removing the JS. Maybe if I just if I just console log, say I'm doing test. That's because animation invalid property value. I think that's because of the... Let me stay visible. I think that's because of the ease one. Transition of state 0.5 is... Why? Transition SCSS. Like what I put is I don't see anything like that. It just put some... Yeah, like why the heck is it okay? I really don't like get it. If we have visibility at here, transition, we have opacity at 0.5, and the visibility is at 0.5. Like, what is the issue with this? Like, very property earlier. And we can still click on this, I think. Why is it not working? Making me feel like crazy. Why in the world is it not working? Why? Why is it never working the way I want it to work? Oh wait, if it's just because like that. Okay, so there is still no animation, but it's kind of working. I think the script is okay. I don't think there should be any issue with it. Maybe that's just because I have some SCSS rules which are pretty similar. So there's the page animation. I just want to make it like ounce. At least try to make it, because if I make it ounce, I think it should be okay. The thing I don't understand is really like on the PP we have this. The ID is great. This PP PNG, we have ID. I am not, I am gonna make the transition. I know it's just something useless, like one opacity match or just one basic thing. Because maybe that's just the transition itself. Like for now we have is, but if I put is it out visibility, let's say we're just gonna put it at, I don't know, but 5 like before. was the opacity going 1 now? Yeah, it is not working. Oh wait. Oh. I forgot the A, the S. Yeah, and I forgot the fucking S. Like the animation was good. So now if I just put is, yeah, it's doing the same. Okay, so at least we have the animation now. We have it. We do have it. So now that we have this, I'm gonna put it there again. Then what we can make. Wait, I removed the Lofi. Lofi go. Yeah, that's better. It was feeling really some sort of depression. Yeah. So now we have welcome here to TikTok, Telegram, Twitch, and Discord. I can wait. Let me make something. For now. How can I get this? Yeah. Okay. No, like that. We are just modifying this and this. No, it just sent me to the Discord. Yeah. I got sent there to the Discord. Now I just need to make it good. Make it English, make it French, make it both. No. Yeah. I guess it's time to make some sort of course. I don't remember like close website. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like this. What if I put for the background something like that? Wait, hear me out, hear me out. Modifying this for 3539 3C. Yeah, so as expected, it's not really good. We're just gonna get it to a basic Google font. What should I put on it? I'm not really good at picking fonts. I don't know. Maybe. Nah, this one's not gonna be great. I need something like kinda modern, but not too much too. Or also write the freedom out. So. Roboto. Okay. We'll see how it goes. Just gonna put it like that. It's gonna be better. Get found. Wait, no. Gonna do it first. Just extract. Okay. Then we can remove this. Put that. Here. Put fonts. Then we have this. Okay, is used by Apple. I don't even know that. Yeah, the moment what's used by Apple. Oh, how is it? In fonts, we have this. Oof. I don't know, should I install it? I'm not even sure. Okay, so we'll just like little by little, just a few things. So from what I can check, we need to put like a font face. Font face. Like that. Font face, SCSS, specified custom font. Okay. Okay, so this one necessary because else just won't have the font family. So what is it? Roboto. I don't know. Roboto custom. And for the source, I guess that's fonts static. Roboto. Or say like that TTF because I think it's a flag. Then we need to format true type. Okay. Oh. Say we want. No, first of all, we need something else. We need the font weight. 1900 and the font style to be normal because we don't want any other things than normal for now at least. So what we can do is remake another one over the custom. We'll take the same URL, fonts static, and Roboto italic.ttf, and then same as before, just format true type, and we'll do the same font weight, 1900 font style, Wait, no. Italic. No. If I want to be it on my web page, we need this and sans serif. So now if I go back to my website, yeah, robot also here. We got a robot. Now trick question. Which color for the text? What should I put? Maybe I should put strong cyan for this. My memory is good. Yeah, that's like that. Like this one. Okay, it's the one I picked. It's the lightest one I could find. It's still better. It's not crazy. I need to change the text. Well, it's the style of the nav too, of the hyperlinks. Because they just look pretty bad right now. Bro, I keep removing Luffy Girl. I'm just gonna put it here. Luffy Girl. So I won't remove it this time. Then remove hyperlink. Blue. I don't know what to explain it. Okay. Oh, we can just use innovate. Yeah, I will get the exact same. Get the same one. And I also wanted to check something. Yeah, WhatsApp is not mobile for now, so not gonna be really good. Yeah, as you can see, performance are not pretty good. I should put just WebP and not PNG. Should start optimizing now. But for now, wait. Let me just put desktop. PNG to WebP. Choose file. Yeah, it's already better. Touch target doesn't have sufficient size or spacing. Vertical length. Well, at least the pairs are just good. So it's okay on this. And we can change this here and change from pp.png to pp.webp. Yeah, I'll just increase the size a bit. Maybe make like a button. Where is it? Yeah, webp. Okay, and if we analyze it again, I should not have the WebP error. Improve image delivery. Increase image compression factor. Use responsive image to reduce. Estimated savings. I can save that much. This tool is crazy as hell. So easy to optimize. But I think the download type of image. Well, I guess for now it's good. Don't need to optimize it that much. We'll keep it simple. So yeah. Let's just increase the size. Maybe it's just a size and padding of the hyperlink. Well, is size, let's say 20. So size of hyperlink, HTML, CSS, styling links. Clearly doesn't help me. Just, yeah, okay. I can just modify the font size. Font size. Let's say 20 pixels. Okay, already much better. It's already looking much better. Now that we did this. Wait. I'll just make one thing. Create a new tab. Stream. Okay. So at least I just won't lose everything. It will be much easier. It will be much easier. I have Lofi already here. Every single information too. So I know I just had a padding between these. I don't know. Some of padding, like, should I just put, I don't know, padding of 15 pixels? Seems already a bit better. Let's do just lactose test again. Really easy. Performance perfect. Touch target does not have sufficient space. I guess that's only because I'm not just gonna stop it. It's only because the nav at the end is not the nav we have here. So I guess if I just put area equal nav error, I can just skip it like that. Why making it hard when you could just make it simple in the end? Yeah. And now it's good. It's really easy. What do I mean? Fetch priority. Okay, hide should be applied. I'm making some small, which is good. Just release it. Hide HTML element. So I guess if I just put it on the image, like fetch priority, now how should this work? Fetch priority. Yeah, I should just apply this to the full image and just pitch priority I gotta hide. Oh no, I am hella dumb. I'm so fucking dumb, bro. It's so crazy how I'm doing bad shit. Yeah. It should be here like on the image. It should be fetch priority high. Then if I go back to the web page, just inspect element, like those. Restart it, making another one. Okay, so let's see. Page content back, forward. Page subsequent cannot enter. When I push, navigation performed by going back to previous. So what he means by that is maybe just putting directly on the image the width. So what did I put already? The PP, I'd say 25% and a height auto. So technically if I put it like that, it should be okay. Then if I remove so both, it's staying the same, and I should not get an error again. But yeah, technically it's not an error. Technically. Let's see. Network dependency tree. Critical request. I need to understand this. What have explicit website? What? What do you mean explicit? So I guess should be 313. Because like if I understand it correctly, wait, let me just test something before. Okay, that's how it is working. It's actually pretty interesting. Like I never took a look at fixing things one by one. Modify JavaScript. What do you want modify? Like, what do you expect me to? But it's asking me like, remove animation. Yeah, sure. You're gonna come back later. So, wait, poem baby. The idea is to not use AI because I want my website to be fully human-made with no use of AI. Because I feel like AI is just destroying creativity. You can't make anything interesting with AI. When you code with AI, you just see how generic the websites are. They have the same animations, they have the same style, they have everything same. I don't even know why people are just coming saying, bro, use AI to make website. I don't use AI to make website because I don't want to make my website look generic. I want people coming to my website say, oh, this looks good. And when you see how unoptimized AI websites are made, honestly, I hate using AI. I don't want to use it. Just making me lose so much time. I never understood people saying, use any type of AI to make everything. You can't use AI to make everything. Because yeah, I can just go to Claude, say, hey Claude, make me a website for my project. Yeah, it will make a good looking website. That's it. It will just be good looking. It will be unoptimized. You won't understand anything. You won't do anything. Что? What if I just make a pre-connect of the password? Let's say phones static orbital. Oh wait, no. That's not. It's a good one. This one's a good one. I don't know why I even started using this. Just making me lose some perf. Yeah, I did some JavaScript here. I did a bit more. And there's a few things I still want to improve. Like when I click on the image, like it shows correctly, but I don't know, it just feels bad, you know. It's going just under the article, under the box, and it's not exactly what I want. Like the idea is to make basically the logo in the middle, and then based on the logo, wait, we'll put it here. Based on the logo, you know, we just have like, yeah, it wasn't playing. You just have like really a web which will open and do the same for the other, which will just open the same way. Because for now it's just like, okay, I have logo, I have box, just draw things like that. It's not really good looking, but hey, at least it works. It's already better than before. We'll see how it goes, but I think we have something good. Yeah, we have something decent. Still a few things. Okay. I think I should modify like this, like just do it this part, because it's just not useful. And these are the anchor points. They are not the one I want. Oh, we're gonna keep this. Gonna keep the same, but yeah. I'm just modifying all this. Then let's do what? We'll take out the end first. Take out the left card back. We'll take the width this time and take and mix, and then we're gonna do the same, but for the Y. For this, well, you just do the opposite. Then erect that up. Okay. Now we'll make some contour points to create some sort of curve, which is basically the one I wanna make. Like that. Then X. We'll do the same with end X by 2, and we're not gonna do the same for Y. We're gonna use math. What that mean? Start Y and Y. And we'll just make manifesting for now. We'll adapt if that's not enough. we'll take on the pass. But no, already have this one. Just gonna remove this. Need lemon. Nice. That was that. Switch. We're gonna keep on the pass. What's the issue? Oh yeah, I think that's because I had one more. Then just move. Seems to be a way. Yeah, maybe. I couldn't find any type of way to animate the curve directly in CSS. That's why I'm making it in GS today. Just to make it work and have some sort of functional basic thing. But I'm gonna make a bit more research for SCSS. See what if I can make it directly in SCSS, which is without the two adopts. Very true. But yeah, for now we're just gonna make it. What are we gonna make? Yeah, let's make a quadrat. Quadrat with curve. So control point and end point. I hate JavaScript so much. I guess I need to make with this certainly. Maybe I should make it in TypeScript. Would it be dumb to do it? And then yeah, we will do the same. And extend and Y. We're gonna set the attribute to thing. Then yeah again. But I got another attribute. But I go field transparent to finish this. We're gonna just add to the class webline and the container append. Container just and finally put on timeout. Wait, no, I don't think I need to do that. I can just make it like that, right? Yay, day 3. 1 day 3. Luckily I could start the stream earlier today, so that means a bit more coding for today. But anyway, for now we have this. Well, I changed a bit things in SCSS, so it's not fully working, but we're gonna make some sort of webs. I think I deleted thing, but yeah, we did this. That's pretty much just the idea, like it's me, who am I, my content and my streams. and for the arrows, it's just gonna be some sort of webs. So with curves, etc. We're just gonna make something basic. But it's been so long since I haven't made any JavaScript, so it's kinda annoying. But here we are. Tomorrow will be on day 4. Is that it? No, for now, I just want something which is working, at least for the main page. And once it will work, I think we'll go for SCSS. But for now, the CSS is really basic. Like just basic shit. Honestly, that not everything crazy, you know. Anyway, I was taking a look. Yeah, I can keep it like that, if not closing. It's nice, let's time out. Just gonna modify this bit. Change index. Move it. We can, oh, yeah. So we have the line for each. We have the set timeout. Wait, no. I'm doing so much at the same time. I think I can just... Oh wait, that's not the same. Oh, that's unlucky. Neovim, it's Shift D to just remove this. But I doesn't exist here. It's kinda annoying, not gonna lie. So yeah. I'm just checking like everything should work because we have the container currently. Oh, search for the class. Then we have this. I should modify. I'm gonna just delete this and remove this too. Then we're gonna just make a for each loop that we're gonna change. We're gonna make it a bit better looking. Timeout. Yeah. Then we can just put it to the class list directly. Make it just like that. It's a bit more optimized. Then yeah, I'm gonna move it again. What's the timeout? Contains visible container. Okay, and now from what I could see, using like a cubic bezier will be a bit better, at least in just CSS for now. Gonna keep it simple. So we had the weights change it. We change it this to change this one too. And so like we're gonna change it to 0.6 and here. Change it to years cubic. And yeah, 122, 1.36 and 1. Now on sub wave container. Zero 2 pixel HPA. We got 99 4 2 and we'll make the rest 100.5. It's not really working. Oh, yeah, okay, I'll put it on. This is not better. That's good. Okay, that's already better. Is it day 3? Yeah, it is day 3 today. I didn't post it on Thursday because I was not planning to make it for like really long, but actually I have fun, so I'm like, yeah, okay, let's just make it every day until I reach the end. And that's why we're on day 3, tomorrow day 4. We'll see what it's gonna look like after 1 year. Maybe even less, maybe even 20 days, 30 days. I don't know. Maybe I'll have something much better than what cloud can make. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. It's day, like there's still some sun, but it's starting to drop down. It's 6 PM right now. I should make myself a coffee, I think. Still gonna need to be up for at least 2 hours, I think. Yeah, to make 4 hours of stream. But yeah, at least now it's looking pretty decent. Well, decent. It's looking better. It's not looking crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe that's because the color. I think that's because it's an article. It would make sense at least. I'm wondering if that's not because of the C index. That's like, oh. I think it might just be that. Yeah, it was just the relative position. Okay, so it's already looking better. It's not crazy, but I think it looks good. It looks good. I think I should try. Yeah. I mean, yesterday it was day 2. I just started CSS. It was looking pretty horrible. I'm kind of happy on how it's turning out. I feel like this is gonna be really cool at the end. Only thing I'm wondering is how I can make a good CSS for the contact form. It's something I'm really wondering. It's gonna look like so hard. But wait, before this, I think we're gonna make the same thing, but for my stream schedule. Because I don't know. Maybe I stream every day at 6 PM. For me at least. I should use the time varies, so everyone can understand. Let's say just times. Yeah. Thing is, I don't know many websites like. Something I always have issues with is like, what type of website can I check on? I never have this type of idea. That's something so I had an idea. It won't work. I don't think. Wait, maybe it will. because, like, first of all, let's just make an article just for my streams. For that, I'm just gonna start making something. But I don't see. Right, God. Yeah, well, I can just add that list. It is what I can make now. Let's say we're gonna make the center. Well, I guess we're just gonna use basic div, even if I don't like using div. Yeah, I don't really know what to use. We're gonna put the same. Right, that's 313 to and then string share and card. There's gonna be an article. We're gonna make it strong. And I think that's pretty much gonna be the same thing, like programming, but no programming because I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wait, is it Sunday or Saturday? Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so now let's see. We're just gonna make layout for the center called next direction. That's gonna be our column. We're gonna align the things on the center to a gap of 50 pixels. Make the index of 20. Say, just gonna comment a bit. Card behaves like the others. Stream text line center midweight. So we're gonna put it at 250. Keep the position at relative again. The index are the same every time. And for now I'm just gonna keep the same exact color for the background. Yeah, okay. It looks okay. I feel like it's kind of pragmatic, you know? At least it's working. Stream shadow. Okay, that seems decent. We have the background. Let's take the H3 this time. What do I want? Yeah. For now, I think we'll just put the margin top at 0. Give the color like this one. Bottom. I'm gonna put this at solid. And yeah, the same as C other. And then yeah, just gonna put a padding at the bottom, so it's a little further. Gonna put it the same for P. Margin, that's gonna be 10 pixels, 0, and a font size of 0.9 rem. We might increase this stat, but I don't think we're gonna need it. Is there anything that I need to switch? I don't think so. It should work. Well, technically it is working, but I don't know why the logo is not. Maybe I should just put it inside. Well, I guess I can just remove it. Oh wait, they won't wanna let me do it. What would let me like do something that easy? I don't even know why. I have no fucking idea of why this is not working. Something was gonna go. Yeah, the idea is to put it inside this one. But I don't know why, but it's like not planning inside. I'm checking, but like, yeah, first of all, I'm just gonna fix a few things. Because yeah, we have the ID, we have the width, but we also need to have the fridge priority. High. It's decorating at 8, I think. Like that, it's gonna be better. Yeah, but if I put it in the Cardiff, like, it's gonna just not be centered. Maybe in the hero I can just modify it. I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but nah, we already have the or maybe I just don't know. I don't know, it feels kinda strange. I don't know. This reflects webs of flex direction, which should be good. The gap is, I mean, I can put it just a bit, but if I try to just manually make something, yeah, no, it's not gonna work like that. I think I will just remove the second Lego. Like, it's clearly not useful. Yeah. But now, yeah, that's the issue, you know. If I put it like that, it won't be put like under the logo. So that's the thing, I don't really know how to make it. Or maybe what I can do, wait, let me test something. Because we have this. No, and this. This name right, but it's the right address, it's got the last one. Yeah, that makes sense. But I'm sure there's an easier way of doing this. That's what's making me crazy every time. Like, I feel like it's just one line, but I can't find it. Like, wait. We have box size. We have this. We have the font display, which is correct. Body, good. Line, list. Nav header, it's good. The hero, we have relative flex, 100, space around this. Maybe we can modify the padding, like put 40, 20. But I just need to make the logo like invisible too. I can just make this like that. Oh wait, no. If I just make this, makes a max width 300. Put the height auto. Just this. Yeah. Some web content, it doesn't. And anything basically. We have the shadow. What do we have? Maybe we can just remove this. I don't think it's useful, honestly. We can remove the color. Keep the padding at the bottom. I think all these are just okay. Maybe I can just... Oh, but I can... Oh, dude. Yeah, of course, that's why. That's a class already. Center, core, mage. It is not working. That's because... Yeah, but no. Oh gosh. I can just... If I just put like center core, if I just put, but I need to modify this. But in theory, I don't need to modify anything else, right? Oh, gosh. I need to modify something else. Of that center this lines up there, set these. Yeah. No, I was wondering, but just because I forgot it. Okay, it is kinda what I want. Just kinda. It's not exactly what I want. Or maybe I can make something else. I have a lot of ideas, honestly. Because I forgot to print it. Because the thing is like, if I remove, wait, there. Yeah. Instead of just having a tip, you can just keep the section instead. Yeah. I need to remove you too. Okay, now that we have this, what I can make is just having the image so pipira webp. Okay. What should I modify? Maybe on the hero I should modify. I think having our flex will be a bit better. Not in position. Display. Well, the flex. Display flex. Content relative. Line items center. Then we have the width at 100%. Position. Hey. No. Let's modify just call. We'll make it flex. Flex direction. We'll put it on column. That's gonna be center. Okay. Alpha also C index. That's gonna be this one. Oh, I forgot I already did one. Oh yeah, just increase this. And we can remove the width because it's useless now. The stream. I just modify it for 50 pixels. For the stream shadow. Just for content space between. Pixels, 20 pixels. never what I want. It is never what I want. Hell, fucking crazy. Wait, that's why I had 2 times image. And now I have no image. What the... Okay. That was just... Okay, no, that's my bad. But at least it's working. At least it is working. This is animation. Yeah, so that was kind of long. I never thought it would be that hard to make, honestly. Like for me, it was gonna be what, 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes. It's been like almost an hour since I'm just on this. Hey, at least it looks good. It looks great. Hmm.
Est-ce que ça te dit un pantalon noir qui ressemble à ça?
Il y a des gens qui vont apparaître là sur Instagram. Ils sont en train de se. Ils ont refusé la création de sneakers au Japon. Du coup, ça traite les Japonais qui se fort, racisme, des trucs. Mais quand c'est tout ça sur quand ces personnes-là nous insultent, non, c'est pas raciste. Non, c'est pas, je sais pas quoi. Non, ça va que dans un sens. Maintenant, le
Ils sont pas faits.
je connais que c'était cool. Mais juste que c'est quand même c'est cocasse quoi. Comme un gros mec qui devait un coup ah, si c'est un modèle, on n'a pas le droit là. Mais eux, ils ont le droit, mais nous, on n'a pas le droit. Ça que d'un côté.
she later pieces on her own religion. She could have interviewed the Archbishop of Canterbury. It could have stayed at Claridge